Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Black spots on your phone screen are a major problem for many users. This is often called ink, but it is actually leaking liquid crystals inside the display panel. Once it starts, it can spread quickly across the entire display like a slow stain. You need to act fast to save your important data. The first thing you must do is back up your phone completely. The ink will eventually cover the whole screen and make it totally unusable. Connect your phone to a computer or use cloud storage immediately. Do not press on the black spots at all. Many people think they can push the liquid back into place. This actually causes more damage and makes the leak spread much faster. Keep your fingers away from the affected area. Avoid extreme heat or cold temperatures. High temperatures can make the internal liquid more fluid. This causes it to move into healthy pixels very easily. Keep the phone in a cool, dry place at all times. Try not to drop or shake the device during the day. Physical impact forces the liquid into new areas quickly. You should know that these methods only slow down the process. There is no magic fix to stop the leak forever. The internal seal is broken. The only permanent solution is a screen replacement. Take your phone to a professional repair shop as soon as possible. Replacing the display is the only way to get your phone back to normal. If you wait too long, you might lose access to your files or touch functions. Act now before the screen goes completely black.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.